Welcome to Manifested Publishers.
How are you, learners? I'm happy to have you once again at the Manifested e-learning platform. We are going to study mathematical activities. The strand is known as numbers. The substrand is whole numbers. And in our today's lesson, we are going to learn how to count numbers, counting backwards in ones. Counting backwards in ones. Counting backwards in ones. In our last lesson, we counted forward in ones. And this is how we did it. Counting forward in ones, we counted from number 1 up to number 50. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is counting forwards in ones. Counting forwards in ones. Today we want to count backwards in ones. This is moving forward. We want to count moving backwards. Moving backwards in ones. And we are going to start from this 10. Moving back. Moving back. This is moving back. So we count from 10. So we write here 10. Then we move back to 9. Learners, 9. Then 8. That one is 8. Then we move to 7. That is 7. Move to 6. That is number 6. We write 6. Then number 5. We write 5. Then number 4. We write number 4. Then we move to number 3. We write number 3. Then moving back to number 2. That is number 2. Then back to number 1. Back to number 1. So learners, this is counting backwards in ones. Let us count together. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Backwards. We move from back. Learners, backwards. When we count from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this is moving forward. This is counting backward. Counting backward. This one is counting backwards. Counting backwards. From a bigger number to smaller numbers. From bigger numbers to smaller numbers. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Is that clear, learners? Now you can also use another set of numbers. Another set of numbers. For example, we can have number, this is from 1 up to 10. We can have numbers from 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. These numbers are written in ones but forwards, counting forwards in ones. From these numbers, we can count backwards in ones. Backwards in ones, starting from number 20. backward. We start from 20, so we write here 20. Then we move back from 20 to 19. You see 20 is bigger than 19, so we are moving back once. You see this is one step. Okay, that is once. One step backwards. Counting backwards once. Counting backward once. One step back. One step back. When you take the step, you write. So we write 19. This is 19. Are you understanding, learners? Then we take another step back. One step backwards. So we move one step backwards from 19 to 18. So we come here and write 18. Okay. Then let us continue from 18 to 17. So we write here 17. Next, from 17, we move to 16. This is 16. From 16, we move back to 15. This is 15. Then we move back to 14. We are moving backwards. From 14, backwards to 13. One step back. We are taking one step back at a time. So from 14 to 13, we write 13. All right, 13, then move back one step, backwards. We are moving backwards, 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 learners. We are now at 12. From 12, move another step back. So the last figure here is 11. So counting, learners, backwards from 20 to 11, we have 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, and 11. All right. I want you to do some practice on your own, because I know you have understood. So you need to practice. We are going to practice. I'm going to write here, task. So learners, I want you to count and write the following numbers backwards in ones. Backwards in ones. Backwards in ones. A, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. B, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. C, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. Just look at the way I did here on the board. Then you do the same when counting and writing these numbers backwards in ones. For example, in A, you will start with number 30. Then you write as you go backwards. All right, you check then, write backwards. So learners, thank you. In our next lesson, we'll continue to learn mathematical activities. Bye-bye.